Relaxation, man.
M.
Uh-huh.
B. K. E. K.
One.
A.
Uh-huh.
M. Sh.
Okay, what mistake? So 0.9 today, because 10th line more mistakes than possible. In 9 line only one mistake, so it's possible. Yeah, the visual acuity is 0.9, not 1. What can we say about her refraction? Myopia or manifest hypermetropia. No emetropia. After that, second step, the same like in previous case. We take lens plus half a diopter and put it in front of her eye. If she has hypermetropia, with this lens will be better, because plus lens we use to correct hypermetropia. If she has myopia, it will be worse, because for myopia we use minus lenses, yeah? So we put the lens and ask her, worse or better? Worse. So she has small myopia. Oh, maybe it's not a myopia, I mean in her case. You see, yesterday 7 lines, today 9 lines, it's maybe spasm of accommodation as a result of not real myopia, but just spasm of accommodation. But when we talk about refraction, during the credit tell that she has myopia of the left eye. How to prove it and how to check the degree, because during the credit it's necessary for you to determine not only type, myopia, hypermetropia or emetropia, but the degree. I mean, how many diopters. We take the lens. On the other side, we know that she has myopia, yes? It's necessary to use minus lenses. We start with the very beginning, also minus 0.5, yes? Put this lens and ask for better. Better. Let's check the visual acuity.
E. K. B. Sh. M. A. F. A. K. Sh.
Okay. Visual acuity, one mistake. It's possible visual acuity of her left eye is 1 with 0.5, minus 0.5. So she has myopia. The degree of myopia, minus 0.5. That's all. If, for example, some of your group mates, I mean your partner, has myopia more than 0.5, you should, and you ask him better, but not 10th line. You should put the minus 0.75, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, till the moment when he will say, oh, I see the 10th line. After that, you come to the chart, check if he really can see the 10th line. The lens with which he can do it will be the degree of his myopia. So the less, the smallest, the first lens with which the patient can see 10th line, in case of myopia, will be the degree. It may be minus 4, minus 3, it doesn't matter, yeah? Clear? Clear. So that's all. If your patient has hypermetropia, it will be visual acuity 1 if latent, or less than 1 in manifest hypermetropia, and he will say better or the same with the plus lens. You should put plus lenses one by one till you correct his visual acuity to 1. Yeah? And also check the degree, the last lens with which the patient can see the 10th line will be the degree of his hypermetropia. Yeah. It was practical skill, rather simple practical skill. It's different to explain. A lot of explanation is, a long explanation, but rather easy to check. It was practical skill number 21. Next one, number 22, determination.
So if just now if minus 0.5 still blur, then we take minus 0.75. We put together with
No. One by one, remove. The previous
remove.
one,
Okay.
in case of, if you put them together, the total will be minus 1.25. Yeah? But you have such a lens. It's not necessary. Yes, of course, you should remove the previous one and put the next one. Practical skill number 22, determination of type and power of the lens. What does mean type and power of the lens? During the credit, you receive such a frame with glasses, or it may be a lens from the set but without the label. And your task will be determine type, plus or minus, positive, negative, convex, concave, and power, also power of the lens. How to determine type of the lens? Take the lens, look through the lens on any object, on the paper, on the frame, on the chart, and move the object, your hand with the lens up, down, or left, right. And behind the lens, you'll see that the object is also moving. For example, in this case, I move my, look for example at this text, yes? I move my hand down. It looks like the text is also moving to what direction? Also down. If I move up, it looks like moving up, yeah? If I take another lens and do the same, I move the object down, but text is moving up to the opposite direction. According to this very simple manipulation, you can determine type of the lens. In case of minus lens, the object is moving to the same direction. To the same direction. This is minus lens. The object is moving to the same. If we use plus lens, the object is moving to the opposite side. It looks like your hand move down, but the object is moving up, like this. Yes, yeah, up. If we move down, it looks like the lines moving up.